Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. In this class, we are going to discuss about various file formats for multimedia components. Let us start with text formats. Text formats are methods of storing text information in files. There are a lot of text formats available nowadays. The main difference between text files lies between rich and plain text files. Rich text format is a file format that allows the exchange of text files between different editors. This allows formatting the text. We can change the font size, color, we can make it as bold, italics, etc. Whereas plain text contains no formatting, only line breaks and spacing. Rich text format is the primary file format introduced in 1987 by Microsoft. Plain text files can be opened, read, and edited with most text editors like Notepad, Gedit, TextEdit, and so on. It is the original and popular way of conveying an email. Let us move on to image formats. TIFF, Tagged Image File Format. This format is common in desktop publishing and is supported by almost all software packages. TIFF is a very adaptable format that allows for multiple pages in a single file, similar to a PDF document. TIFF also supports both lossless and lossy compression, allowing for each page to be compressed differently. What is that lossy and lossless compression, children? Compression technique is used to reduce the size of the file. Lossless compression makes the image smaller without altering the quality. Lossy compression makes the image smaller and also diminishes its quality. Here, TIFF allows both lossless and lossy compression. This format is compatible for moving large files between computers. The next one, BMP, bitmap. Initially, this format was in use with Windows 3.1. It is quite large and uncompressed, and hence BMP is used for the high resolution or large images. DIB, Device Independent Bitmap. This format is similar to BMP. It allows the files to be displayed on a variety of devices. The next one, GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. GIF is a compressed image format. Most of the computer color images and backgrounds are GIF files. This file format is best suitable for graphics and uses only limited colors. It is the most popular format used for online color photos. The next one, JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group. It was designed to attain maximum image compression. JPEG uses lossy compression technique. It works good with photographs and similar material, but functions less on live drawings or simple cartoons. The next one, PGA format, PAGRA. It is the first popular format for high resolution images. It is supported by most of the video capture boards. The next one, PNG, Portable Network Graphics, an extensible file format for the less loss, portable and well compressed storage of raster images. It acts as replacement for GIF works good with online viewing applications. Let us move on to digital audio file formats. An audio file format is a file format for storing digital audio data on a computer. The first one, waveform audio file format. It is the most popular audio file format in Windows. It is used for storing uncompressed sound files. So it takes up more storage space. In order to attain the reduced file size, it can also be converted to other file formats like MP3, which is a compressed format. The next format is MP3, MPEG Layer 3 format. You all know it is the most popular format for storing and downloading music. MP3 files are compressed audio files, so they take up less space. AIFF, Audio Interchange File Format. A standard audio file format used by Apple for Mac. RA, Real Audio Format. Real Audio Format is designed for streaming audio over the internet. Besides the variety of audio file formats available, these are the most common formats: WAV files, MP3 files, RA, AIFF, WMA, and so on. Let us move on to digital video file formats. AVI format, Audio Video Interleave. It is the video file format for Windows. Here, sound and picture elements are stored in alternate interleave chunks in the file. MPEG, Moving Picture Experts Group. This is a standard for generating digital video and audio compression under the International Standards Organization (ISO) by the group of people. The group has developed MPEG-1, the standard on which video, CD, and MP3 are based. MPEG-2, the standard that supports products as digital television set-top boxes. MPEG-4, the standard for multimedia. Simply, MPEG is the standards for digital video and audio compression. These are the few file formats we discussed. That's all, children. We'll meet in the next class.